Sunlight can be harsh, especially for materials like plastic, paint, and packaging. Over time, UV rays can fade, weaken, or damage them. That's why smart manufacturers use UV chambers to test how strong their products are against sunlight quickly and accurately. A UV chamber is a powerful lab instrument that helps test how materials react when exposed to UV light over time. Let's explore the top 10 benefits of using a UV chamber for material testing. First, simulates real sunlight exposure. UV chambers recreate the effect of natural sunlight in a controlled lab environment. This helps manufacturers know how their products will behave under outdoor conditions without waiting for months. Second, saves time with accelerated testing. Instead of waiting years for real results, UV chambers speed up the aging process. You can see in days or weeks how your product will look after years of sun exposure. Third, improves product quality. By understanding how a product fades, cracks, or weakens under UV light, companies can improve materials before launching in the market. Fourth, reduces product failure costs. UV testing helps avoid costly failures after a product is sold. Early testing reduces returns, complaints, and warranty claims. Fifth, ensures weather resistance. Products that are made for outdoor use, like paints, cables, or signs, must handle rain, heat, and sunlight. UV chambers test all these factors, making sure your product lasts longer. Sixth, supports R&D and innovation. New materials or coatings can be tested quickly using a UV chamber. It supports researchers and developers in creating better, longer-lasting products. Seventh, meets international standards. Many industries follow strict standards like ASTM G154 or ISO 48923. UV chamber help you test as per these guidelines, ensuring compliance with global quality norms. 8th, easy to operate. Modern UV chambers like those from Pacor are easy to use with user-friendly controls and automated cycles. Anyone in the lab can operate them smoothly. 9th, repeatable and reliable results. Because testing is done in a controlled chamber, you can repeatable results every time. This ensures high accuracy in testing and reporting. 10th, low maintenance, high efficiency. UV chambers are built for long-term use with minimal maintenance. They are energy efficient and built with durable materials for continuous testing. A UV chamber is an essential tool for any industry that wants to ensure product durability, customer satisfaction, and long-term performance. From saving time to reducing costs and meeting standards, the benefits are clear. If you want to improve your product quality with reliable UV testing, check out the advanced UV chambers at Pacor.com, and you can call us 888-2149230.